This is Mr. Goxx. He's a crypto trading hamster that has outperformed the S&P 500 by more than 15%, even going as far as outperforming legendary investors such as Warren Buffett. But how does he do it? So let's look at who this furry financier is and how this entire thing works. So meet the social media sensation that is taking the world of crypto trading by storm. His name is Mr. Goxx, and he's the world's first crypto trading hamster from Germany. You can see his trades all on Twitch, which I've linked in the description below. So named after Mt. Gox, which is the notorious Bitcoin exchange that closed in 2014 after reported $460 million of holdings went missing, the hamster's been making a big splash in the world of investing, largely with the help of his human business partner, who has facilitated much of the hamster's rise to fame and fortune and presumably operates all of his social media accounts. Now, the Critter's Twitter account proudly proclaims that Mr. Goxx is the world's first crypto asset trading hamster, where it also provides regular updates on the status of his financial activity. Now, you're probably wondering how a hamster makes trades. So according to a video on his YouTube account, the whole thing works like this. So Goxx occasionally enters in his office, also known as the Goxx box, which is replete with a hamster wheel, dubbed the intention wheel, and two separate tunnels, respectively labeled buy and sell. Now, running on the wheel initiates a transaction. An automated rotating Rolodex of 30 different cryptocurrencies is tied to the wheel's motion, ranging from Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other prominent coins are included. Now, after Goxx exits a wheel, whatever tunnel he runs through subsequently initiates a buy or a sell position on that particular token. Now, this whole setup has apparently been delivering big wins for the tiny rodent. Now, actually, reports show that Goxx has been outperforming people like Warren Buffett, the Nasdaq 100, and the S&P 500. And at one stage, the hamster's wins had given him a 50% gain in under 3 months, compared to just 41% rise in the value of Bitcoin itself. Now, granted, he has been moving a much smaller amount of capital around. His account holdings has reportedly grown from the euro equivalent of around $381 to about $500. But still, way to go, Mr. Goxx. Now, I'm sure you're all wondering what his hot tips and picks are. Now, Mr. Goxx likes to keep things locked tight down, but we have noticed that a lot of his recent trades have been placed on Ethereum. So, does he know something that we all don't? And will his rise to fame continue? Well, let's watch out.